Rajim Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Friends, agree to family for marriage. Agree to family for marriage. Agree to girlfriend for marriage. Agree to boyfriend for marriage. Agree to lover for marriage. Most effective spell in the world. For example, the girl is gone by cheating you and ex-back girlfriend, ex-back boyfriend, ex-back husband and ex-back wife. Most effective spell in the world. It is centuries love talisman. It is dangerous spell for love. It is a talisman to bring the beloved in minutes. Beloved will follow like a dog, just a man's dog loyal. So the lover also become his slave. Millions of times this talisman has been tried and has always been successful. It is a fire talisman of love. It is a terminates the beloved like a fish. Most effective spell for marriage. Agree to family for marriage. Most effective spell in the world. So I do black magic on this boon. Affect the whole world quickly. People from the every country of the world make a magical magic to me. People get up, work early, and I am sincere person of you. I can get out of your difficult times. I have every hard time with you. If this work is done to me, many people do this procedure with me. It has an immediate effect and the girl becomes a slave forever. Most effective spell in the world. Most effective spell. Millions of times this talisman has been tried and has always been successful. People from all the corners of the world order this talisman from me. This talisman, but everyone's work will be done. I did not want to write this talisman, but still I am writing for the benefits of people. This is our family talisman, secret talisman on show public. Generations run by run in our family. Most effective spell in the world. Let me tell you how to make a talisman. Make it boxes, and then write the number in order in separate boxes. This talisman is your complete. And write in numbers in boxes. And for example, you are a boy, agree to girlfriend. ठीक है. Alhub, your name, your mother name. Hub, your name, your mother name. Alahub, lover name, lover mother name. This talisman is your complete with names. And how to use it? This talisman. Make it talisman. Tie it around your neck. And second, make a talisman with names. Under the weight. And third, make a talisman and bury in the grave. Okay. So if you want to do this work me, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp number 033059199192, and please visit my website www.talismiamliat.com and order me Fiverr ID. Fiverr link in description. You can order this talisman from me. Okay, so please share my video on your friends. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.